Good afternoon, my lovely children. Welcome back to Neha's Alarm Clock Part 4. So, what we can see here? That here we can see that Neha is very irritated as the sun has woke her up and disturbed her peaceful sleep. What we seen in the previous video, that the big bright sun has already entered Neha's room and filled the room with its warm light. So here we can see that Neha is very irritated with that. Next, Neha, what she says about that? Oh, my lovely eyes, now it is the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's come true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Mother, wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Next morning, the sun is behind clouds. That means the second wish of Neha also comes true. So Neha snores and she sleeps peacefully in her bed till Neha hears her mother's voice. Neha's mother tries to wake up Neha by calling her sleepyhead. We know that the meaning of sleepyhead is lazy person. Here, mothering is referring to Neha as sleepyhead, as if she doesn't wake up, she will miss her school bus. Neha does not feel good for waking up and get ready for school. She thinks why her mother had to wake her up from her sleep. Narrator. There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens next? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha, Ma, who woke up today? We have got a new word here, children. That is imagine. The meaning of the word imagine is to dream about something. Next day, Neha wakes up with a start at 6 a.m. in the morning. She is little bit surprised as well as irritated that she has woke up early in the morning at 6 o'clock all by herself. So Neha calls out to her mother. What has happened with her? How does she alone woke up in the morning at 6 o'clock? There was no alarm clock, there was no birds, there was no sun either to wake up Neha from her bed. So how could Neha wake up alone from her sleep? So when she got up from her sleep, she was little bit confused within her. So Neha calls out to her mother. So up to till this, we have known what happened with Neha, right? So till this, Neha's activity, I have given you some questions. So the first one is that what is the name of the girl in the story? Number second, when did the alarm clock ring? Third one, who came at the window to wake the girl up? Fourth, how did the big bright sun filled Neha's room? Fifth, make a blank with. The mother said to Neha, wake up, dash. You will miss the school bus. Number 6. The dash clock makes you to do things in time. For number 1 option, body. Number 2nd option, that is well, which is the correct option. We have to write it down in the blank portion. Number 7. The one who tells a story is called dash. Options. Number 1. Narrator. Number B. Author. So which is the correct one? You will write it down in the blank portion. Number 8. Next morning, the dash was behind the clouds. So children, that is all for this video. Thank you and goodbye.